familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing 10 types of biryani you need to try in India. Aromatic and bursting with flavors, biryani is a wholesome meal you shouldn't miss when you visit India. Having said that, every place in the country has its own unique take and variations on this classic dish. Some might be tangy, others less, but they are all worth sampling. Here are 10 types of biryani you need to try. Hyderabadi Biryani. Believed to have originated from the kitchens of the Hyderabad's Nizam, there are two types of Hyderabadi Biryani: Pakki, which means cooked, and Kachi, which means raw. The Pakki Hyderabadi Biryani involves cooking of basmati rice and meat separately and then layering them together, while the Kachi Hyderabadi Biryani is made from the raw marinated meat, which might include chicken or lamb, placed between the layers of the basmati rice, infused with saffron, onions and dry fruits. Both are slow cooked in a dove-sealed earthen pot over charcoal fire, which results in rich, aromatic and punchy biryani. If you go out for a meal with a local, you will have neither one of the variants of Hyderabadi biryani. Lucknow Biryani. Also known as the Awadhi Biryani, the Lucknow Biryani stands out due to its cooking style known as damput. The meat or chicken infused with spices is partially cooked separately from rice, which is flavored with saffron and cinnamon and other spices. Both the meat and rice are then layered together in handi, which means deep bottomed vessel, and cooked for hours until the flavors deeply penetrate. The end result is soft Lucknow biryani with mild flavors. Calcutta Biryani. Calcutta Biryani originates from Kolkata, although it has roots tracing back to the Awadhi style biryani of Lucknow, characterized by subtle flavors with a tinge of sweetness and more sparing use of spices. It is cooked with light yellow rice, which is layered with yogurt-based meat, soft boiled eggs and potatoes. Add to that saffron, nutmeg and kever, which leads to soothing aroma of the biryani. Talaseri Biryani. Sweet and spicy, this biryani hails from the Malabar region, especially Kerala. The variation of biryani in this region is as plentiful and diverse as the cultures and the ethnic groups within. The Talaseri Biryani, for instance, make use of an indigenous variety of rice, jeera kalasa, instead of the basmati rice that is used traditionally. Other ingredients used in this biryani includes Malabar spices, meat or chicken, fried onions, fennel seeds, sorted cashews and raisins. The jeera kalasa is cooked separately from the meat and mixed together only at the time of serving. Bombay Biryani. Bombay Biryani is worth the trip to Mumbai in itself. It is composed of chicken or mutton or vegetables, fried and spicy potatoes, kever, water and dried plums that make the flavor distinctively sweet, tangy and aromatic. Sindhi Biryani. Sindhi Biryani is a dish that originated in Sindhi province. Now it's a part of Pakistan, hence the name. This biryani is made from the generous use of chopped chilies, roasted spices, mint and coriander leaves, onions, nuts, dry fruits and sour yogurt, making the flavor more aromatic. Added to this biryani are plums and potatoes for good measure. Kalyani Biryani. Kalyani Biryani is also dubbed as the poor man's Hyderabadi Biryani. Is said to have originated from the Bidar city of Karnataka, consisting of buffalo meat and an array of spices, coriander and tomatoes. The Kalyani Biryani is flavorful and tangy. Although it doesn't have ingredients like the popular Hyderabadi Biryani, the taste and pleasant aroma remains the same. Dindigul Biryani. Dindigul Biryani is an ever popular dish that can be found at several outlets across Chennai. It is strong and tangy in flavor. which is derived from curd and lemon mixed with cube-sized meat, which consists of mutton or chicken, and jeeraga sambar rice is used. Also, a lot of pepper is used to give it a full-on zesty flavor. Ambur Biryani. Ambur Biryani is an unmissable traveling experience in itself when visiting Tamil Nadu. Like other variations of biryani, this one also have meat which consists of chicken or mutton, but what makes it different is the way the meat is prepared. The meat is soaked in curd and flavored with coriander and mint, and then added to the cooked jeeraga sambar rice along with other spices, savoring with brinjal curry, which they call in their language as ennai katrikai, and which is the brinjal lover's delight. So these are the 10 types of biryani you need to try in India. And this is all in this video. See you guys in another interesting video. Till then, take care.